Hello.
A very spectacular afternoon to everyone.
Afternoon.
Wow, what an incredible and thrilling atmosphere here it is. I'm sure this is going to a great event today. This is Divya Yadav, which is from Kuchukia, and on behalf of entire assistant family, I welcome you with huge round of applause. Well guys, as you already know that, we all are gathering here to have a conversation. So let's get start now with a banger. Well guys, now I'd like to call Daddy Sudan, who is won everyone horse by his dynamic and stellar performance. None other than and one and only a young, dynamic and energetic music speaker, Mr. Sandeep. Well, Mr. Sandeep Singh, please come on the podium.
Thank you, Ms. Divya, for my such a lovely intro. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Manjar Ansari sir for having me here. To be honest, I am feeling extremely honored and privileged to be here with such a dynamic and wonderful people. Hello, friends.
Hello.
A lovely afternoon to all.
Afternoon.
Oh my God, what a smashing and electrifying atmosphere here is it. I am sure that is going to be a great day with you. Myself, Sandeep Kushwaha, with you from Raghunathpur. Today I am going to give a short presentation on what is more important in a woman, beauty or intelligence. Friend, in my mind, I think intelligence is a such thing that is required for all men. Either he are men or women. Because if I go with women, in this new era, every woman want to build up their career and want to be self-sufficient in this new era. And our government also promoting women's education. And every, guys, a woman who intelligent, they always be good in study, and they also pray where she goes. And you can see many prominent lady of our country who is leading our country because of their intelligence. Take example of Nirmala Sitharaman, who is finance minister of our country, and she is leading our whole country with their intelligence. And if I go with in film industry, take example of Dania Gurira, that is a film actress in Hollywood movie that did a big movies in Hollywood. And if I go in athletes, take example of Hima Das. Hima Das is such a girl who had, if you go in their pastime, he had not money to buy any type of shoes. But in that time, she has brought many medals for our country. If I go with beauty, not any actress brought medal for our country. And in this new time, Hima Das is brand ambassador of Nike. And take an example of Ranu Mandal. She used to singing on the railway station, but because of their intelligence, she got viral in just one day and become famous in whole world. Keeping this point, I can say intelligence is more important in a woman. Now I invite all of you, if you has questions, then I will be glad to answer them. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Before, when you are giving your presentation, you elaborated in your presentation. Means intelligence is more important in a woman. But
Yes,
if you ask me, then I said it, beauty is more important in a woman. Why I'm saying this, I have lots of reason behind it. And you also elaborated it. Because you also elaborated in a woman, if a woman is intelligent, then he can have jobs. And if you talk about actress, and if you also take any actress, means don't get medals by his beauty. But you also stated means many actresses become Miss Universe, Miss India onto his beauty. And you also know that if these actresses are not have beauty, then how he become the Miss Universe and Miss India? And you know that a girls who have a beauty, then her parents have no worry to do her marriage. And whereas you talk about the intelligence girl, if a girl have intelligence, then she is and you also then he means she is ugly, then her parents take more and more time. If she is more and more intelligent, and you also let intelligent means a beautiful girls impress any other person easily. And a beautiful today's changed society, everyone wants to marry with her means beautiful girls. So keeping in this all points in my view, I think beauty is more important in a girl.
Yes, yes. I'm agree with you, Miss Divya. But few minutes ago you said that in our society, in our country, the women who become Miss India, Miss Universe, cause of their beauty.
Yeah.
Yes. Firstly, tell me, you are a girl with beauty. You selected in Miss Universe or Miss.
Sorry, I am not getting up that level. Firstly, in this time I'm a student.
Yes, yes, yes. First, take example of any woman
Yeah.
who has become Miss India. Firstly, she offered by many producer from Bollywood. But firstly, tell me if they don't have any idea how to act in movie and how to perform on the stage, then how can be she become actress or a good person?
Mister, if you ask the girls and any women, they don't have how to give the dialogues and anything, then he do works for their intelligence, work for her beauty and intelligence. Then absolutely this intelligence comes to us. Many actresses. You can take the example of a loss of interest. There's many girls who make the video of TikTok, snack video,
Yes,
most.
yes, yes.
Then he use by her beauty they make the video, and if she make the video again and again, then absolutely intelligence come to her, and
Yes,
they
yes.
this person are famous.
Yes, yes. Firstly, Mr. Divyaji, firstly tell me how many girls who become famous by TikTok bring medal for our country, our state and our society?
Anushka Sen, and you also know that Priyanka Monia and many girls. And you also firstly you tell me, if intelligence is not important, beauty is not important in a girl, then why every people neglected the girls who have ugly in an engagement time.
Yes, yes, yes. I am agree with that. Not all people neglected ugly girl. Firstly, if any girl she cleared any type of exam at upper level, if she cleared a UPSC exam, then every man want to marry with her. Yes, I'm right or not?
Well,
Yes.
Mr. Deepak, sorry for interruption. With your
Yes.
conference, something here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, if you feel that intelligence is more important for a woman, then could you please tell me? You have also stated in your presentation, then you say that intelligence is more important, and you have also give the example of Ranu Mandra. So I would like to say something about Ranu Mandra. Could you please tell me? According to the Wikipedia, no any people want to be a Ranu Mandra. If you say that, do you like to convert your face just like Ranu Mandra? Then the people say that no. I would like to convert our face just like Aishwarya. Why? Just because of beauty. Well, if you feel that intelligence is more important, then I don't know any types of. There is no matter. But could you please tell me, if we look like a monkey, then how we can feel?
Yes,
We
yes,
can
yes,
feel
yes.
just like any bad person. And well, I would like to give another example. Well, in India, could you please tell me, if intelligence is more important for in our life, then why if you see each and every person houses, then also 2 or 3 mirror kept? Why? Why we see our face in 1 day 4 or 3 times? Why we see? What we need to see?
Yes,
If intelligence is more important. And well, I would like to also give the example of current time. In a board exam, you also know that in a board exam, if you are so much intelligence and if you don't write in a good way, then also our teacher cut the number. Why? Just because of beauty. If you have beauty, then you can show your image directly. But if you have intelligence, then you need to speak something about. Then after in the front eyes of people impress you. But if you have a beauty, then you can directly impress you in the front eyes of people. So I feel that beauty is more important for your life.
Yes, yes. I'm agree. I'm getting your point, Mr. Bikaji. A few minutes ago, you said that every woman want to be like Aishwarya Rai.
Yeah.
If you go in the past of Aishwarya, they all actresses undergone in plastic surgery. If you went in their past time, they not look good.
But Mr. Deepak, my question is, you don't understand my question. My question is that if in this time, if you ask any people, do you like to convert your face just like a Ranu Mandra, then people say that no, never.
Yes.
But if you ask that any people, do you like to convert our face in just like Aishwarya Rai, then the people say that yeah, I like Aishwarya Rai, and the girls say that I also want to be just like Aishwarya Rai. Why? Just because of beauty.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm getting your point. You are supporting beauty.
Yeah.
Firstly, tell me, you supporting beauty, then why why do you come here? You must go in parlor for your beauty.
So this is not matter.
This is matter.
Well, listen that our topic is which is more important for in our woman. I am not woman. I am also man.
Yes,
I am
sir.
a boy.
Yes, sir. And then every woman who comes here, then they all have to go in parlor?
I don't know about.
According to you?
I don't know about him because I am a boy. I am not a girl. Well, if you believe that intelligence is more important, then please give me any other example.
Yes. Take an example of.
So, Mr. May I ask any?
Well,
Yes.
Mr. May I ask any question? So, Mr. Do you know about the social media?
Yes.
So, Mr. As you may already know that the person who click the picture, in which if he looks smart, then firstly he posts that picture in the social media. Why? Because that person wants that anyone can see that how many beautiful is she or he, and he want to be a beautiful man and a beautiful girl. So that's why, and she want that a person can see me and a person can know how many beautiful am I. So what's your view about it? Also they can post any video in which they are doing any work, and anyone can know that she is intelligent woman. Then why?
Yes.
May I know?
I'm getting your point, mister. I'm not saying that beauty is bad for women. I'm only saying that intelligence is more important than beauty.
Well, Mr. Sorry for interruption. May I say something here?
Yes.
Do you know about the apps like Beauty Plus and Looks and Basics 12 and Swiss Selfie? Do you know about this?
Yes.
If you see any women say, there is also available this type of app. Why? This is used to click beautiful pictures, and every woman want to click beautiful pics, and they keep this this apps in his phone, her phone. Why? If beauty is not important.
I'm getting your point, Mrs. Pallavi. It is your mentality problem. Which type of person you want to be, like Hima Das or PT Usha, and like actress?
I don't want to talk about me. I want to know only that why any woman keep this.
Firstly, tell me who created that tape.
I don't know anyone.
Absolutely, the person who created that tape who has more intelligent. Am I right or not?
Then can you tell me why this app are used?
Yes.
If beauty is not important, this app are not used by anyway. Then what is mean of creating this app? And in marriage time, if if a girl is going to be married,
Yes.
the boys will firstly ask for a photo. If they see the photo, if she is intelligent but she is very ugly and pathetic, they reject without thinking words. They reject this girl. Why?
Yes. I assume that if a boy firstly seen their beauty, and she also he will got married with her, and after few months, if that girl who has not intelligence how to manage our house, then of course he tortured by their parents.
Everyone has common sense. Then how to?
What is common sense? That is intelligence. What is common sense? That is.
What is
Mr. May I ask any question?
Yes.
So, Mr. As you say that intelligence is the common sense. So I totally disagree with you, because if intelligence is the common sense, then no any person who has who shop a beauty parlor, that person can never be a rich person. Why are they being a rich person? Why not a principal of any school? Why? May I know?
Sorry, I have no idea.
So, Mr. You should say that.
Sorry for interruptions, Majwan here. Before I want to mention that I strongly disagree with you. Why am I disagree with you? I want to tell you. Before when you said that how many medal has been found in actress, I want to know one actress name, because nowadays she is no more. Well, speaking of the Sri Devi has found many more medals in her life. Why? Because she have a beauty and she has done her work in Bollywood.
Yes, I agree with you, Rahul ji. Firstly, tell me if Sri Devi, you mentioned that Sri Devi, if Sri Devi has not skill and not idea how to perform in that movie, then absolutely the producer of that movie also kicked out in that movie.
Okay, I totally agree with you. But any girl is ugly, then where have you seen she can be selected in Bollywood movie, in Hollywood movie? Where have you seen?
Firstly, not everyone want to be like actress. Some of girls want to serve our country and our nation.
Okay, every beautiful girl who don't have lots of knowledge. I'm not talking about every ugly girl has some knowledge. When speaking of a beautiful girl can be selected on anchoring because she is beautiful.
Yes, she also be selected in anchoring. But the girl who has intelligence, she also lead the whole anchoring, whole anchoring system.
Sorry, Mr. May I say something here?
Yes.
As you Mr. Before, when you're giving a presentation on what is more important in a woman, in humans, you say that beauty is more, intelligence is more important in a woman, and you say a lot of examples as a Ranu Mandal and many more examples. But Mr. Why it means if beauty, if intelligence is more important, then why we search in Google? Please tell us 5 intelligent women of India. Then why Google can't say? And if we search that, could you please tell us that 5 means 5 beautiful personality in India? Then Google get lots of photo.
Yes.
Right.
I'm getting your point, Mister. It is your mentality problem. At what type of person you want to be, like Einstein and like a actor.
But Mr. But Mr. Yeah, I agree with your point. But Mr. Could you please tell us that in the marriage times, why
Yes, I'm getting your point, Mister. All these students who are sitting here giving example of marriage.
So
Firstly, listen. Is the marriage all thing for girl?
Well, Master, if you believe intelligence is more important in a woman, but my perspective, beauty is more important in a woman. Why I'm saying like that? I have lots of reasons behind it. Well, Master, could you please tell us that? Would you like to see dirty place?
Of course not.
And so the same things in also women. And if we see dirty girl, we don't impress that girl. And if we see beautiful girl, then we absolutely impress easily and fastly. And beauty is the things we attract our heart fastly. And if we don't, if beauty is not important in a woman, then our government banned our parlor and many more things. If beauty is important, then our government serve that.
Yes. I'm getting your point, Mister. Firstly, tell me what beauty change our society or not? Of course not. If the girl who has intelligence, that has able to change our society, not your beauty change our society. Well, thank you guys. Bye. Take care.